The DC series motor drive module is an electronic device specifically designed to control the speed, direction, and torque of DC series motors. It is widely used in robotics, automation, and various industrial applications where precise control of DC motors is required. This module accepts control signals from a microcontroller or other controlling devices and converts them into the appropriate voltage and current levels required to drive a DC series motor. Pulse width modulation, PWM, is commonly used to regulate the speed, while direction control is achieved through H-bridge circuitry built into the module. For series motors, both the armature and the field windings are connected in series, which allows for high torque and speed control. A DC series motor drive module is an electronic circuit designed to control the speed and direction of a DC series motor. These modules typically use pulse width modulation, PWM, techniques to vary the motor's voltage and control its rotation. They are commonly used in robotics, automation, and various motion control applications to provide precise and adjustable motor control.